I'm sure most of the people who are watching this video know miso soup. It's the essential and the most well-known soup which Japanese people have with almost every meal. Miso is a fermented soya beans paste which adds a salty umami taste to Japanese dishes and contain a lot of probiotics. Today I'll use dashi broth, which I already introduced in the another video. Other ingredients are the leftover vegetables, almost whatever in my fridge, and tofu and miso. You can put as many ingredients as you want, but I personally like to put at least 2 or 3 ingredients. Regarding dashi, if you want to skip one procedure and do the easier step, then you can use the dashi in the teapot like this, or bonito flakes like this. This might be a little difficult for you to find outside of Japan, but I will introduce you where you can find them in the description in the below. First, cut the vegetables into small pieces. It's a great thing of miso soup that you can put almost any kinds of vegetables. I love it because you can take rich nutrients while cleaning your fridge as well. Cut the green onion and put it aside. You'll use it in the end. Boil dashi broth and put the vegetables in and cook for a while until the vegetables are cooked. Besides vegetables, I love to put seaweed or deep fried tofu. When the vegetables are enough cooked, put tofu in. Today I'll use this organic barley miso. Please make sure you stop the heat before putting miso. High heat will kill probiotics in miso. I'm making the soup for 2 today, so it's about 1 spoon of miso, but you can adjust it as you like. Dissolve the miso in the dashi broth and taste it if it's enough. Serve miso soup in the bowl and put the green onion on it.